Good afternoon to one and all. I am very much thankful to everyone being here today. First of all, I would like to thanks to our director sir for giving us an opportunity to talk in this particular session and providing us support, encouragement and mentorship. I also would like to thanks to our HOD Dr. SD Shinde sir. Now let me begin by sharing my PPT with all of you. Now my presentation topic is writing manuscript, that is journal papers with LaTeX. So what is LaTeX? LaTeX is a software for writing effective journal papers, then project report, dissertation, thesis, etc. Then if you want to create structured document, then we have to use LaTeX. Structured document means there is a section, subsection, then figure diagrams, then bibliography, references in a structured manner. So with the help of LaTeX, we can create a structured document. The major advantages of this particular LaTeX, it has a template and a content. So if you add this template and content, we create an output file that is a complete manuscript. Then why LaTeX? Why one should use this particular, you can say, the software for writing our journal papers, project report or dissertation report or even thesis also. So what is the difference between our usual writing, that is Word file, and LaTeX? So these are the point. With a word processor, you spend valuable time on organizing or what font size to make the section headings. So in case of word processor or word file, we require a lot of time to do the setting of the paper, setting of the margin, and we require various formulae for particular manuscript, and we have to insert the diagram, that is the figure, and whenever there is a graph. So all these things are tedious in case of word processor, but in case of LaTeX, if you use this LaTeX, once you made a program file, then just we can run that particular file, we will get a particular manuscript within a half an hour. So this is a particular advantages of this LaTeX. Then with a word processor, changing the formatting means you have to change each instant individually, but with the LaTeX, you just define the relevant commands. With a word processor, you have to carefully match any provided template, but with the LaTeX, we have to sure, that is, we have to create a template, and template should be, you can say, run successfully. So this is the care we have to take in case of LaTeX. Then LaTeX is generally required these two files, that is a compiler file and it is called as a MikTeX, and we have to download another important text maker. So these are the web from which you can download the LaTeX software, and this is the MikTeX text maker. So from this web you can download this particular file. So we required these two particular file in our PC for running our manuscript with the help of LaTeX. Then the first step in LaTeX, which first step we have to follow in case of the latex. So every document will begin with this command. So slash document class. So in case of document class, in this bracket we have to write the font size, then single column manuscript or double column manuscript, the paper size A4 paper, and between this curly bracket we have to write it is an article or it is a book or thesis something. So every document in case of latex will start from this steps. Then we have to use certain packages. These are the certain packages we can use in case of latex. The first package is used for the font size. Then second one, if you want to insert different type of the formulae, so we have to use this package /package math pt mx. Then another type of package we support the mathematical formula, that is AMS math, AMSS YMB, then AMS fonts. So this type of package generally we require to write the equations. Then if you want to manage your space, top, bottom, left, right, so we have to use these particular packages. Then if you want to insert a graphs, if you want to insert a figure in your manuscript, so this package is very important, that is /use package graphics. Then another important package is for sub captions. Suppose there is a figure and if you want to name or label that figure, we have to use this particular package. Then the another important package for sort and compress, NatBib. So this package is required for sorting and compressing of that particular manuscript. Then for hyperreference section or citation, we can use these particular packages, and for reference purpose we have to use these particular packages. So apart from these packages we require another packages, but for creating a simple manuscript, even for elsewhere also we can use a elsewhere manuscript if you want to create, then Springer or IEEE manuscript. So these packages is sufficient to make a manuscript. Then the another important you can say the aspect for the manuscript. So every manuscript begin with these particular things. So we have to make a title for our manuscript. So for making the title we have to use /title in curly bracket. We have to write down the name of our title of the manuscript. Then if you want to add the authors, we have to use this particular command /author. In between this particular curly bracket we have to write or add the various authors. Then the author department, then his institute. So this double slash indicate that below we can insert this our college name, and each and every line is apart from 5 mm, and today means there will be with the help of this command the date will reflect. So if you want to add your section, that is introduction or even your abstract keywords, then section that is introduction, then your you can say this location of the site, and then abstract another third point is methodology, then result and conclusion, then bibliography, and then references, and then some sort of the material if you want to add. So every document of the manuscript will we can handle in between the begin document and end document. Whatever may be the section, if you want to include, we have to include with the help in between this begin document and end document. Then the importance thing is that in case of equations, if you want to add the equations, so this particular format we required for inserting any equations. So begin equation and end equation, we have to write these two commands. Slash begin equation in curly bracket, write down equation. I have written here this equation V1 minus E1 minus IR, and we have to another write the command in between this first equation, that is end equations. So in this way, if you want to write the number of equations, so with in between these two commands, begin equation and end equation, we have to write down the different equation we have in our manuscript. So this is a simple format we can use how to insert an equation for this particular latex. Then how to insert a tables. So this is a task. We have to format this particular task to insert a tables. Then again we have to use these two particular command, begin and end tables. So begin table in curly bracket, write down table, and in bracket write down this H or B. This stand for it is at the center or left or right. So this H represent the table is at center. Then do the command that is centering. Then we have to provide the caption. Below this caption we have to give the name of this particular table, that is student details. I have created the table and in hands-on session I will show you how to run these particular tables. Then this is the table. It has a 4 column and 3 rows. So if you want to add a particular rows and column, then we have to use this particular command, that is #hline, and in between write down serial number, roll number, name of the student and addresses. And if you want to insert another row, then /, then #line, the second row will start, and we have to write the serial number, roll number and name of the student. This is the example of how to insert the tables. So if you want to add number of column and number of rows, the only we have to insert here begin tabular 1, 2, 3, 4, or if you want to increase the column, you can insert these particular things here. Then end table and tabular and end table. So this is the format for inserting the table in our manuscript. Then the another thing is that how to insert the figure, right? Then again, this is a simple format for inserting the table in our manuscript. So here I have created this program. This is a slash begin in curly bracket, write down the figure. HTB means it is at center or top or bottom, wherever you want to place the figure. Figure and table are the floating itself in the latex. So this T and B means if you put this T single in this curly bracket, then the table is at the topmost portion, and if you put this B, the figure will be at the bottom. And then do the another command, that is centering, and this is a packages we have to use for the figures. So inserting the figures. So this package will help us inserting these figures. Include graphics, then we have to use the scale. You can change the scale, and this is the figure. So here I would like to say one important thing is, in case of inserting the figure in your manuscript, whatever may be the folder you have created, the same figure should be there, otherwise the program will not run. So care should be taken to insert the figure in your manuscript. The same figure should be available in your manuscript, and the same name should be there, figure 1. Then caption, name of the figure, write down here. Then end label, that is figure, and end figure. So in this way we can insert the figures. This is the simple format. Then let us have a hands-on how to create a manuscript by using latex. So I will show you. I have created the manuscript with the help of latex, right? So This is a simple document. So I already mentioned that the latex is always start with the document class. So I have written here /document class. I have given format, that is the font size 12 point. You can change this font size also. Then 2 column or single column manuscript you required. So with the help of this single or double or 2 column. Then the paper size I have written here A4 paper, and then in another curly bracket you have to write down the article, or here you can write the thesis also, or you can write the any book, or you can say the dissertations also. Then another important thing is that we have to use the packages. So this is a packages. Use package for font I already. Then this is the packages for inserting the equations in our manuscript, slash packages in curly bracket math, PTMX, then ASM maths, then AMSS YMB, then AMS fonts. So these are the packages generally we required. Once we input these packages in our beginning section, then there is no need to create another formatting the manuscript. We have to simply once created this type of job there, then it is very easy to run the manuscript for next manuscript. Then the manuscript is begin with this thing, title /title. So whatever may be the title, I have created the title in between this curly bracket. Future assessment of precipitation and temperature for developing urban catchment under impact of climate change. In below this title, we have to write the author names. So I have for this particular I have created 2 authors. Then we have to write the name of our department, civil engineering department, then college, Devgiri Institute of Engineering and Management Study, Aurangabad, Maharashtra State, India. And I have given 5 mm space in between 2 lines, and the today means the date will reflect in the manuscript. Then I have start my manuscript with the help of this command /begin document. Then below that I have written the /make title. So this is very important. If you not write this command in between this begin, then the title will not reflect for your manuscript. So always remember that this /make title is very important command. Then write down begin abstract, right? Begin abstract /begin abstract. So this is the abstract for manuscript. I have written this abstract, then end abstract, and before ending this abstract I have to include the keyword also. So I have to put some keyword. So these are the keyword. Suppose I have a GCM, global positioning system or model, global position model, and another is climate change, RCP, representative concentration pathway, RCP, and hydrology. Example, these are the command. Then after inserting the command, we have to end our abstract by this command /end abstract. Then our first section will begin here. So for creating this section, that is introduction, then use this command section in curly bracket, write down slash section curly bracket, write down introduction. So whatever may be the your introduction part, we have to insert. So I have inserted my certain introduction of my manuscript here. Then we have to create another section, that is section slash section material and methods for my manuscript. And below this I have created also a subsection in this material and methods, that is study area. So this is my material and methods and study area. Then my manuscript are having certain equations, right? So this is the equation I have written for this particular manuscript. Begin equation, this is the simple format for writing the equation in LaTeX. Slash begin, in curly bracket write down the equations. So V1 minus E1 minus IR. So this is a simple format. If you do the practice, you can do any equations in the LaTeX. We have a template. If you do the practice, you can generate your equation for your manuscript. Then end equations. Then if you want to insert another equations, then write down another equation in this format, in this two command, that is begin equations slash begin equations and end equations. So this is the another formula I have created for this particular manuscript. Then if you want to insert a table, right? So we have a various you can see here facility to create the tables. So I have created table. So go into this particular tab wizard, then quick table, then quick tabbing, quick array. So with the help of this quick tabular, this type of table I have created, that is slash begin table. Then this I have created the table at the center, so I have written there edge. Then top bottom you can select, then centering, then this is the caption for my table, student detail for academic year 2020-21. This is a simple table I have created. Then these are the number of 4 column and 3 rows for my particular table. And in between these we have, if you want to insert the rows, then use this command slash h line, and in between these two begin table and end table we have to create the table with the help of this simple command. Then another thing is that we have to create our result and discussion. So by using this command slash section and in curly bracket write down result and discussion. So I have inserted my result and discussion for the manuscript here. Then we have to write the result and discussion in between slash section and end sections, right? Then we have to insert certain references, right? So if you want to insert the references, slash begin. This is the a format for writing the section for this particular manuscript. The bibliography, in curly bracket write down the bibliography, and in this curly bracket write down 9 up to 99. So this number will be required. So I have written here 9 in curly bracket. Then another important package we have to write, that is bib item, bib team, LaTeX combine. Then I have written the first name of the manuscript here in this fashion. Then this is the another command. This is required for writing the name of the general, and this command will operate the year and volume and the page number. So in this fashion we have created the references section. So I have chosen 4 to 5 references. Then we have to end our bibliography, and always we have to write this command at the end of our manuscript /end document. So in this fashion we have create our manuscript. So the first step is document class, in which we can do the all operations, that is for making the font size 2 column or single column A4 size paper, and always we have to end our latex document with this command, that is /end document. And if I run this particular manuscript, so this is a manuscript I have created. See, the we doesn't require any operation of any, you can say, top margin or bottom margin. It automatically, we have given the input in the form of packages, in the form of certain commands. So this is the manuscript. If you see the format for this particular manuscript, see here.
Patan sir.
Yes, yes.
Patan sir, your screen is not visible to me.
Now it is visible.
No, sir. Might be the problem will be from my side. Yeah, sir. Now it's visible.
Professor, it is visible.
Visible, sir. Visible.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So this is a you can say the created manuscript. So within half an hour we can create a beautiful, wonderful manuscript with the help of latex. So it will automatically give the equation number also here. See here, equation 1, equation 2, and then table. There is a caption. Then there are 4 columns, and everything will be created automatically. This is the result and discussion. Then reference section. We need not to worry about the margins and setting of the papers. So this is the advantages behind we can create manuscript within half an hour. If you have the data, then and once we create the latex template, then we can use that template for making another manuscript. So only the formatting changes initially only, that is the name of the author, then this package's name, and certain these things will be changes, but rest of the thing is similar for each and every manuscript. So this is the you can say the strength of this particular manuscript. So this is from my side. If anybody want to ask any questions, any doubts regarding about this particular latex, then if anybody is having the questions, please ask the question.
Patan sir.
Yes, yes.
I'm having one question.
Yeah.
Sir, as you have told in the earlier during the formatting part, you have
Yes.
kept the spacing as 5 mm. So spacing between two lines.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that setting we have to change every time, or it is default setting.
No, no, no. If you want to change the setting, see here, then I have already mentioned that this is the things, these things we have to need to change as per the requirement of any manuscript. Suppose elsewhere requirement is different, Springer requirement is different, or IEEE transaction reference is different. So we need to see the requirement of that particular genre, and in that similar fashion we can create this particular command. Yes, and these particular things we can change.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
One more question.
Yes, if anybody is having the question, I am here, please ask anytime. If you have the data, we can create your manuscript within half an hour and we can have a wonderful outlook of that manuscript. So, I think no any more questions. So, thank you very much everyone being here and listening me patiently. I am declare that Shinde sir.
Thank you, Pathan sir. Very nice presentation you have done. I request you kindly
Yes.
arrange one more expert talk on final year students for final year students.
Yes, yes, I
Possible.
have. Yes, yes. Okay.
We will arrange this activity for final year student also. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for.
Pathan sir,
Yes.
attendance download करा sir.
Yes, yes. Attendance download. Okay. So I declare that the session will be end from my side. Stop recording.